Hi, my name is Becca. Welcome to my Beginner English video series. This is video 9, and it's a review. We're going to practice questions and verbs that we learned in videos 1 through 8. So review is very important. Take the time to review. It is part of learning. Practice the phrases and sentences in your notebook. Watch old videos from this series. Every day, watch one video. Video 1, video 2, video 3. Do you understand more than before than the past? If yes, this is progress. This is important. We watch videos many times, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We understand more every time. Here are some questions that we practice together. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where do you live? Where are you from? How are you? How do you feel? How do you spell your first name? And your last name? May I help you? What day is today? What do you do during the week? Now, I'm going to ask the questions again and give you my answers. What's your name? My name is Becca. Where do you live? I live in Costa Rica. Where are you from? I'm from the United States. I'm from Connecticut. It is close to New York. How are you? I'm good. How do you feel? I feel happy. I like practicing English with you. How do you spell your first name? My first name is Becca. It's spelled B-E-K-A-H. And your last name? Batone. B-O-T-T-O-N-E. May I help you? Yes, I need help. I want you to come to my English classes. What day is today? Today, for me, right now, it's Saturday. What do you do during the week? I work. I have English classes. I study with my children. And sometimes I go to the beach. We practiced a lot of verbs in the first 8 videos. Let's review the verbs. To work. I work during the week. Remember, we change the ending of the verb in the simple present tense when the subject is he, she, or it's. We put an S at the end of regular verbs in the present tense. Repeat after me. I work. You work. He works. We work. They work. To study. I study English. I study every day. You study. She studies. We study. They study. Play. I play sports. I play. You play. It plays. Maybe the dog. It. I say she for my dog because I know my dog is a girl. So we can say he or she for pets, for the animals that live with us in our homes, in our houses. We play. They play. We say to live in a place. I live in Costa Rica. I live. You live. He lives. We live. They live. To be. We can use to be with feelings and with location. I am happy. I am in my office. Repeat after me. I am. You are. She is. We are. They are. We can also use to feel with feelings. I feel tired. Oh, I want to sleep. I feel. You feel. She feels. We feel. They feel. Okay, we can go to a place. I go to the store. I go to the supermarket. Now, in this picture, we can say, she is in the store. She is located there. I go. You go. She goes. We go. They go. To hang out. To spend time with people. I hang out at the beach with my friends. I hang out. You hang out. He hangs out. We hang out. They hang out. To eat. When we eat, we have food. To eat food. I eat lunch. I eat. You eat. It eats. Ah, look, I forgot the S here. It eats. The dog. The dog eats. We eat. They eat. Okay, guys, I hope that you practice this video a few times. Watch it 2, 3, 4 times as a review. Repeat aloud. And if you want to become part of my English online program, send me a WhatsApp message. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.